Hey everyone, it's Friday the 13th. Call this 2 weeks into my No-Spend-uary. I've done pretty darn good. I just hit Aldi after work for a little bit of produce restock, and I'll go over that with you real quick. This was $17. We don't have tax in Florida, otherwise it would have been more than that. Isn't it kind of crazy that, what is this? 6 items of produce and a loaf of bread is $17 these days. The number one reason I went to Aldi instead of Walmart is because they have these Cara oranges. Those things are amazing. They're almost like a blood red orange color on the inside, but they just taste like the sweetest, most perfect oranges you could possibly want to eat. And I bought 2 bags because I'm planning on slicing up all of 1 bag and putting it in the freezer in a Ziploc bag, because the number one reason I use those oranges is a couple of slices in my iced tea, which it's hard to believe I'm even saying that word because it's supposed to be really cold all across the US, especially for Florida. We're going to get down into the 30s tonight, but I want my oranges while I can get them. Those are an Aldi fine deal. They come through maybe 4 times a year, so I always snap them up, and believe it or not, they were only $2.99 a bag, and there's about 9 oranges in each bag, so that really was a good deal. And you know, the typical price on the rest of this stuff, but lower than what I would have paid anywhere else, that's for sure. The spinach was $1.29. The bananas were 59 cents a pound. The broccoli, you know, let me check that because I'm not sure what, $2.29 a pound this week, or yeah, so not that great a price, but on par. I think it was $2.24 a pound at Walmart last week. And the bag of red onions was $2.29. I was completely out of those. I don't use a lot of that particular kind, but you know how that is. When you need a red onion, you need a red onion. And then this Italian bread, I bought that to go with dinner just because I've been working all week long and we've gone through all the bread that I meal prepped, so I want to have a little of that. Anyway, that's my little haul. I'm probably going to go to Publix tomorrow because I'm down to 3 yogurts, and they have the Oikos 000 on a BOGO again. So I'll probably snap some of that up, and I'm going to get a carton of heavy whipping cream. If they have any. Aldi did not have any, and I haven't seen any at several different Aldis in the last 3 weeks. So they do have half and half, but for some reason they can't get the heavy whipping cream right now. Anyway, that's the battle plan. This was $17. I'll probably spend 11 or 12 buying just those 2 items at Publix tomorrow. So just figure I'm going to have spent close to $30 on about 9 items. Isn't that crazy? Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I really appreciate all your likes and your subscribes. And please comment down below if you're doing No-Spend-uary. I'd love to hear how you're doing and what your plans are. Thanks for watching.